Hello everybody. My name is Thirumal Reddy Balasnita. My registration number is YOK 19CS122. And today we are dealing with the subject operating systems. In operating system today we are going to look about arithmetic and looping statements using shell script and today we are going to run in the platform of code.karuna.edu. And our first question is about develop ed, develop an addition table for the given input number. So I had already done my all codes. Just I'll be showing you everything what I done. Vi dot add dot sorry vi means visual editor. Vi addition dot sh and uh, and I got my code. Echo 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 means in C it is a printf statement. Enter a number which we are giving for the input, and read statement in C is printf statement. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 1, I plus plus. This is a loop statement. Loop statement is used when there will be a list of items that will be repeating. The repeated items in a list is known as a loop. Do d equal to a plus 1. That means here they said that I plus plus, that means I equal to 10. That means if you are giving as 5 plus 1, that means 6. Then 5 plus 2, because here we gave that I less than or equal to 10. That means we will be getting until 10, like 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8, so on will be getting. Now I'm going to execute my code. Now sh addition dot sh. Now I'm giving a number as 5. See, now I got as 5 plus 1 equal to 6, 5 plus 2 equal to 7, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. And my next question is oh, we find the factorial of the given numbers. SVI factor dot sh, and I got my code. Echo statement means printf statement in C. Echo enter a number, that means which we are giving for an input, and we are saying it as to read n. The read n means scan in C. Factorial equal to 1 for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Loop statement. Do fact equal to fact into I. Done. Next, echo factorial of n is factorial. That means if you are giving for suppose if you are giving the number as 5, that means we'll be getting a factorial of 5. So now just we will look into it. W sh factor dot sh. See, now it is asking us to give a number. I'll be giving 5 and I should get my output as 120. Therefore, the factorial of 5 is 120. And the next question is we have to find the sum of n numbers. Vi sum dot sh. I have given my file name as sum. See, and I got my code here. Echo enter n numbers, that means printf. Echo statements means printf statement enter n values. Next, read n, that means in C it is scan n. S equal to 0 for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n I plus plus, do the expression s plus s1. That means here for suppose if I am giving the number as 2, that means 2 plus 1, it will be giving 3. Sorry, s equal to s plus s1. That means if you are giving for s, it will be adding the sum of n numbers. So if we will be giving as number, for suppose if we are giving number for that as 10, then we will be getting its output as 55. Now let's check it. WQ. See, now sh sum dot sh, enter the number. So I'm giving number as 10, and I'll be getting the sum of my numbers as 55. And my next question is about find the sum of the series 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on up to n, and in the given n numbers. So vi series dot sh. See, here echo enter the number. That means print in C language, print statement, enter the numbers which we are giving for the input. Next, read. That means read statement in C is scanf statement. Then for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I express I plus 2. If we will be not giving this dollar symbol, then it will be not executing. Next, do sum equal to sum plus I. Done. Then we'll be getting echo the sum of the series is. That means we'll be getting the sum what we have got for the series. SK. W Q. Then I'll be giving number as 7. Sorry. SH series dot sh. Then it is asked for us, then it will be asking us to enter a number. I am entering the number as 6, and I got the sum of my series is 9. And my next question is about display the multiplication table of the given number. So vi means visual editor. Vi multiplication dot sh. Sorry, I gave wrong here. I have here spelling wrong. Yeah. Echo statements means printf statement in C. enter the number, that means we are giving for the input. Next, read statement means scanf statement in C. A, for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, do B equal to A into I. That means if you are giving the A statement as 2, then if we are giving this A statement as 2 and I statement as 1 and so on up to 10, that means we'll be getting 2 into 1, 2, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 3 is 6, like that. So let's check it. Sorry, I gave again as VS, so I got it. Enter the numbers. I am giving number as 2 and I got what I said, I got A into I. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 17, 2 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. I got it. And my next question is using the display the number, using the display the numbers from 10 to 1. That means here the question is asking us to display the numbers from top to bottom. That means now we have to display the sum, we have to display the numbers from 10 to 1. That means visual editor, number, here we got echo, that means print statement in C, echo numbers from 10 to 1. That means here we are giving for I equal to 1, I equal to 10, I less, I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. That means here what if we are giving a number, sorry, echo, that means print I done. That means if here it is showing us I equal to 10, first we'll be getting I equal to 10, then here I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. That means here we will be getting that numbers that decreases. See now, well, let's check. sh number dot sh. See, and here we got the numbers from 10 to 1, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and we got our code. And our next question is we have to find the Fibonacci series for the given number of terms. Fibonacci, we have visual enter, visual editor, Fibonacci sh. And here we got our code. Echo statements means printf statement in C, enter the number of terms. Then read statement means scan statement in A, where A equal to 0, b equal to 1, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, do c equal to dollar a plus b, a equal to dollar b, b equal to dollar c, where printf dollar c. Done. And we have to do now. And here they are asking us to enter the number of terms. Now I'm giving the number of terms as 5, and I got my Fibonacci series as 1 2 3 5 8. And my next question is about write a shell script to find the greatest of three given numbers. Visual Editor, greatest.sh. And here we got first echo statement means printf statements. Echo, enter the first number. We have to we are giving input as echo, enter first number. Then next read means scanf. Then we have to read a, same as echo, enter second number and read b. Echo, enter third number, read c. If dollar a minus, sorry, hyphen gt. Gt means greater than, where a greater than b and a greater than c. If, then echo print, then echo if the number is greater than a or b or a or c, it should print a is greater than b. If b is greater than a and b is greater than c, it should print, then it should print the number where b is the greater number. Else it should print if c is greater than a and c is greater than b, then it should print that c is greater than, the c is greater number. F5. sh greatest dot h, and we are entering the first number as 22, second number as 10, third number as 34, and we got the greatest number is 34 because 22 is less than 34 and 10 is less than 34, so we got the greatest number 34. And my next question is write a shell script to check whether the number is odd or even. So vi visual editor odd.sh. First echo statement means print. Echo statement means printf statement in c. Enter a number, that means we are giving for input. Then read statement means, read statement in c is printf statement, sorry, scanf statement in c. And where a reminder equal to expression n, sorry, where expression n modulus 2, if reminder equal to 0, then echo n is odd, else echo n is, sorry, echo n is even, else n is odd. double, sorry, double Q to exit the shell, then SH, and here it is asking for us to enter n. That means I'm giving number as 22, and I got 22 is an even number. By this I executed my all programs successfully. Thank you.